To turn the lights on in here, there's a power strip up here. It's up kind of high. Now, if you were sandblasting something, it can't have a bunch of gunk and grease all over the thing. You need to run it through a degreaser or something first, because all that gunk and grease will clog up the sandblaster. These are not the end-all be-all that everyone seems to think they are. So once you have degreased it, you can put it inside. You can do that by lifting this latch up here and open it up and set it right down in here. While we're in here, we have the gloves right here that you'll put the your hands in, and then you have the gun right here. If for some reason this does not work, you step on the pedal, air comes out, but there's no sand coming out, it's probably clogged. Do not, I repeat, do not add more sand. If you have too much sand inside this thing, there'll basically be too much weight on it in the hopper, and it will clog itself up and it will not work. If air comes out and it does not run, the sand does not run, just try to give it a few more minutes of it running, maybe jiggle the hose around, maybe someone put something covered in paint in there and the paint clogged it up. A lot of times that will break it free, just jiggling the hose around while it's running. If for some reason this thing is clogged, you want to be careful doing this. Take your air nozzle here, put it in there, pressure compressed air right there. That should hopefully blow the clog back out. But once that is done, close the lid. Latch it. From here, you can turn the shop vac on that will actually recover all the dust out of this thing. That shop vac is the one that's out here. Now you can put your hands in there and pick up your part. So here we can see the sandblaster. You can see it sandblasting the inside of this cylinder head. It's not a super quick process, but it is effective. You might have to wait and take a little time with it. When you were done, turn your shop vac off. Might want to give it a minute to let it all dissipate in there. And you can open it on up there. Take your part out of it. Should be all nice, clean, and matte gray.